There is likely a silent killer in your kitchen. It's not a pest, it's not a poison. It's a tool you probably use every single day to cook for your family. A tool that 90% of homes have. And when it's damaged, it can leach invisible, toxic chemicals into the food you eat. Chemicals that have been linked by numerous studies to a host of health problems. Most people have no idea this is happening. But by the end of this video, you will not only know exactly what this silent killer is, you will know the 3 simple ways to protect yourself and your family starting tonight. The answer will shock you. The problem and the science. To understand the danger, we need to talk about a family of man-made chemicals, often called forever chemicals. You may have heard of them as PFAS, or in the past, PFOA. These chemicals are famous for one thing. They are incredibly effective at repelling everything. Water, oil, grease, nothing sticks to them. Which is why, for decades, they have been the primary ingredient used to create the non-stick surface on our cookware. The problem is, while these chemicals are stable at room temperature, science has shown that when they're heated to high temperatures, or when a non-stick surface is scratched, they can break down and migrate. They can get into your food, into the air you breathe, and ultimately into your body. And because they are forever chemicals, your body has an extremely difficult time getting rid of them. They can accumulate over years, and top scientific bodies like the CDC have linked long-term exposure to a range of potential health issues. This isn't a small problem. It's a hidden danger on a global scale. But the real danger isn't the pan itself, it's how we use it. Here is the silent killer, the damaged pan. So what is the silent killer? It's your old, scratched, or damaged nonstick frying pan. That pan you have with the gray or silver scratches from a metal spatula, the one that has a slightly worn, flaky surface. Every time you heat that pan, you're creating a potential risk. The 2 biggest mistakes people make are using metal utensils, which scratch the delicate non-stick coating, and overheating an empty pan. Preheating an empty non-stick pan can cause its temperature to skyrocket in minutes, reaching levels where the coating can begin to break down and release those toxic fumes. You can't see them. You can't smell them. But they can be there. It's the damage you can see, the scratches, and the damage you can't see from overheating that turns a convenient tool into a potential health hazard. So how do we fix this? The solution is surprisingly simple. Here is the solution, your 3-step safety plan. You do not need to throw away every pan you own. You just need to be smarter. Here is the 3-step plan to make your kitchen safer, starting today. Step 1. Inspect your cookware immediately. After this video, go to your kitchen and look at your non-stick pans. If you see deep scratches from knives or forks, if the surface is peeling, flaking, or heavily discolored, that pan is no longer safe for cooking. It must be retired to protect your health. Step 2. Change your tools. Never, ever use metal utensils on a non-stick surface. Use only wood, bamboo, or silicone spatulas and spoons. They will not scratch the coating and are the key to making your pans last longer and stay safer. This is the single most important habit you can adopt. Step 3. Try safer alternatives. For high-heat cooking, like searing a steak, non-stick is the wrong tool anyway. The best and safest alternatives used by professional chefs worldwide are cast iron and stainless steel. A well-seasoned cast iron skillet is virtually non-stick, lasts forever, and is completely non-toxic. Stainless steel is another excellent, durable workhorse for any kitchen. Reserve your undamaged non-stick pans for low to medium heat cooking only, like making eggs or pancakes. So, the silent killer isn't the pan itself, it's the damaged pan used improperly. By inspecting your pans, switching to safe utensils, and using alternatives like cast iron for high-heat cooking, you can eliminate this hidden risk from your home and protect your family's health. You now know the secret that is hiding in plain sight in 9 out of 10 kitchens. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe to Decode to evolve for more essential secrets that can help you upgrade your life. Share this video with the people you care about. You might just be protecting their health, too.